Let's talk about vaginas. It's time to break down the barriers of silence and embrace the power of knowledge when it comes to our intimate health. Understanding your vaginal health is not just about avoiding discomfort or infection. It's about embracing your femininity, owning your sexuality, and living your life with confidence. This incredible part of your body, responsible for pleasure, reproduction, and hormonal balance, deserves to be understood and celebrated. Throughout this essay, we'll delve into the world of vaginal health, providing you with practical tips and evidence-based information to help you make informed decisions about your body. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your vagina, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to live a happy, healthy, and fulfilling life. Vaginal health is about so much more than just the absence of infection or discomfort. It's about understanding the delicate balance of your vaginal microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live within your vagina and play a crucial role in maintaining its health and protecting it from harmful invaders. We'll explore the factors that can disrupt this delicate ecosystem, such as harsh soaps, douching, and even certain medications. Understanding the importance of pH balance and how to maintain it is key to preventing infections and irritation. Feeling confident and comfortable in our own bodies can have a profound impact on our self-esteem, relationships, and overall quality of life. A healthy vagina is a source of pleasure and intimacy, and feeling good about your vaginal health can significantly enhance your married life. Open communication about your needs and desires is crucial, and understanding your own body is the first step towards achieving a fulfilling and pleasurable sex life. We'll discuss the importance of lubrication, both natural and artificial, and how to address issues like vaginal dryness, which can affect women of all ages. We'll also explore the role of pelvic floor exercises in strengthening the muscles that support your pelvic organs, improving bladder control, enhancing sexual sensation, and even aiding in childbirth recovery. By prioritizing your intimate well-being, you're investing in your overall health, happiness, and the strength of your relationships. When it comes to vaginal hygiene, less is often more. Your vagina is a self-cleaning marvel, equipped with natural mechanisms to maintain its delicate pH balance and ward off infections. Harsh soaps, especially those with fragrances, dyes, or antiseptics, can disrupt this natural balance, leading to irritation, dryness, and an increased risk of infections. Instead, opt for gentle, fragrance-free cleansers specifically designed for the vulva, the external part of your genitals. Warm water and a soft washcloth are all you need to keep your vulva clean and fresh. After washing, pat the area dry with a clean towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing that could cause irritation. Avoid using scented tampons, pads, or panty liners, as these can also disrupt your vaginal pH and lead to irritation. Saying no to douching your vagina's self-cleaning power. Douching, the practice of rinsing the vagina with water or other solutions, is a common misconception about vaginal hygiene. The truth is, douching is not only unnecessary but can actually be harmful to your vaginal health. Your vagina has a natural cleaning system that works perfectly well on its own, and douching disrupts this balance by flushing away the good bacteria that protect it from infection. Douching can also push bacteria and other irritants further up into the reproductive tract, increasing the risk of pelvic inflammatory disease, a serious infection that can lead to infertility. If you're experiencing any unusual vaginal discharge, odor, or discomfort, it's essential to see your doctor instead of trying to self-treat with douching. Instead of douching, focus on supporting your vagina's natural cleaning process by following the gentle hygiene practices outlined earlier. Choosing the right products, a guide to vaginal-friendly choices. Navigating the world of feminine hygiene products can be overwhelming, with countless options promising to keep you feeling fresh and confident. However, not all products are created equal, and some can actually do more harm than good. When choosing products for your intimate area, it's crucial to prioritize those that are gentle, pH balanced, and free from harsh chemicals that can disrupt your vaginal microbiome. Avoid using scented soaps, bubble baths, feminine sprays, or wipes on your vulva. When it comes to menstrual products, choose unscented options made from natural materials like organic cotton. If you use menstrual cups, be sure to wash them thoroughly with mild, unscented soap and water between uses. Underwear wisdom fabrics, fit, and keeping things fresh. Believe it or not, your choice of underwear can also impact your vaginal health. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton, which allow air to circulate and help wick away moisture, keeping your vulva dry and comfortable. Avoid tight-fitting underwear or materials like nylon and spandex, which can trap heat and moisture, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and yeast. Washing your underwear with mild, fragrance-free detergent is also essential. Remember, a little underwear wisdom can go a long way in maintaining a healthy and happy vagina. You are what you eat, nourishing your vaginal microbiome. Just like your gut, your vagina has its own delicate ecosystem of bacteria, known as the vaginal microbiome. This community of microorganisms plays a crucial role in maintaining vaginal health, protecting against infections, and even influencing vaginal odor. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides prebiotics, which serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in your vagina, promoting their growth and overall balance. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt the delicate balance of your vaginal microbiome. Probiotics, the live beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, can also contribute to a healthy vaginal microbiome. Incorporating a variety of these fermented foods into your diet can provide a natural boost to your vaginal health. Hydration, the flow of vaginal wellness. Water is essential for life, and that includes the life of your vagina. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining vaginal health, lubrication, and overall well-being. When you're dehydrated, your body conserves water, and this can lead to vaginal dryness. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support vaginal health. Beyond its hydrating properties, water helps flush out toxins and waste products from your body, including your vaginal tissues. Exercise and your intimate health. Getting active for a happy vagina. Regular physical activity isn't just good for your heart, lungs, and waistline. It also benefits your vaginal health. Exercise improves blood circulation throughout your body, including your pelvic region. This increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to your vaginal tissues, promoting their health and vitality. Exercise can also help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which support your bladder, uterus, and rectum. Strong pelvic floor muscles are essential for bladder control, preventing urinary incontinence, and even enhancing sexual sensation and satisfaction. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Smoking and alcohol, the unwanted guests in your vaginal paradise. While a healthy diet and regular exercise are like VIP guests for your vaginal health, smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are the uninvited party crashers that can wreak havoc on your intimate well-being. Smoking restricts blood flow throughout your body, including your pelvic region. This reduced blood flow deprives your vaginal tissues of oxygen and nutrients, making them more susceptible to damage and infection. Excessive alcohol consumption can also disrupt your vaginal microbiome, making you more vulnerable to infections like bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your vaginal health. When it comes to alcohol, moderation is key. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation, which is defined as up to 1 drink per day for women. Stress less, love more, the mind-body connection in vaginal health. You might be surprised to learn that your mental and emotional well-being can also impact your vaginal health. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, including your vaginal microbiome. When you're stressed, your body releases the hormone cortisol, which can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your vagina, making you more susceptible to infections. Stress can also weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections, including vaginal infections. Managing stress is essential for both your overall health and your vaginal well-being. Remember, a happy and relaxed mind contributes to a healthy and happy vagina. Decoding the discharge, what's normal and what's not. Vaginal discharge is a normal and healthy part of being a woman. It's your vagina's way of cleaning itself. Changes in color, consistency, or odor can signal an issue. Normal discharge varies from clear to milky white. Consistency changes throughout your menstrual cycle. Increased discharge is normal during pregnancy, arousal, or ovulation. Significant changes or symptoms like itching or pain need a doctor's consultation. These could indicate infections like yeast or STIs. Pay attention to your body to detect issues early. Yeast infections, also known as vaginal candidiasis, are incredibly common, affecting up to 75% of women at some point in their lives. They occur when there's an overgrowth of Candida albicans. This overgrowth can be triggered by antibiotic use, hormonal changes, or a weakened immune system. Yeast infections cause intense itching, irritation, and a thick white discharge. They can be treated with over-the-counter antifungal medications. Follow the instructions carefully and complete the full course of treatment. Consult your doctor if you experience recurrent infections. Bacterial vaginosis, or BV, is another common vaginal infection that occurs when there's an imbalance in the bacteria that normally reside in the vagina. While the exact cause of BV is unknown, it's thought to be associated with having multiple sexual partners, douching, and smoking. Unlike yeast infections, BV doesn't always cause noticeable symptoms. When symptoms do occur, the most common is a thin, grayish-white or yellowish discharge with a fishy odor, which may be more noticeable after intercourse or during menstruation. You may also experience itching or burning in the vaginal area. If you suspect you have BV, it's crucial to see your doctor for diagnosis and treatment. BV is typically treated with antibiotics, either oral or vaginal. As with yeast infections, it's essential to complete the full course of antibiotics, even if your symptoms improve before you finish all the medication. Untreated BV can increase your risk of contracting sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, and can also lead to complications during pregnancy, such as premature birth. While not technically a vaginal infection, urinary tract infections, or UTIs, often go hand in hand with vaginal health discussions because they share some common symptoms and risk factors. UTIs occur when bacteria enter the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body, and travel to the bladder, causing an infection. Common symptoms of UTIs include a frequent and urgent need to urinate, a burning sensation during urination, cloudy or strong-smelling urine, and pain or pressure in the lower abdomen. UTIs are typically treated with antibiotics. While UTIs and vaginal infections are distinct conditions, they can sometimes occur simultaneously or increase the risk of each other. For example, having a yeast infection can make you more susceptible to UTIs, as the altered vaginal pH can create a more hospitable environment for UTI-causing bacteria. Maintaining good hygiene practices, such as wiping from front to back after using the toilet, urinating after intercourse, and staying hydrated, can help prevent both UTIs and vaginal infections. Section 5. When to seek expert advice. Trusting your instincts. When it comes to your vaginal health, it's always best to err on the side of caution. If you experience any unusual vaginal symptoms, such as a change in discharge, itching, burning, pain, or bleeding, don't hesitate to consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. Early diagnosis and treatment of vaginal infections and other conditions can help prevent complications and ensure your long-term vaginal and reproductive health. Remember, you know your body best. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and seek medical advice. Don't be afraid to ask questions and advocate for your health. Understanding vaginal color. Dispelling the myths. Vaginal color varies naturally from woman to woman, influenced by genetics, hormones, and age. No single normal color for the vagina. Colors range from light pink to darker shades. Media often portrays unrealistic beauty standards. Embrace your natural color and celebrate diversity. Section 2. Factors influencing vaginal color, a natural spectrum. Several factors contribute to the natural variations in vaginal and vulvar color. Genetics plays a significant role just as it determines your skin, hair, and eye color. Hormonal changes, such as those that occur during puberty, pregnancy, and menopause, can also influence pigmentation in the genital area. During puberty, the increase in estrogen levels often leads to darkening of the labia, the folds of skin surrounding the vaginal opening. Pregnancy can also cause hyperpigmentation, or darkening of the skin, in various areas of the body, including the vulva. This is due to the increased production of melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color. As women age and estrogen levels decline, the labia may become lighter in color. Again, these changes are perfectly normal and part of the natural aging process. Other factors, such as friction from clothing, sexual activity, and certain medical conditions, can also temporarily affect vaginal color. For example, frequent intercourse can increase blood flow to the genital area, causing the labia to temporarily darken. Similarly, certain skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis can also affect the skin in the genital area, leading to changes in color or texture. Section 3. Addressing discoloration concerns. When to seek professional advice. While variations in vaginal color are entirely normal, there are instances where changes in pigmentation could indicate an underlying medical condition. If you notice any sudden or drastic changes in your vaginal color, especially if accompanied by other symptoms like itching, burning, pain, unusual discharge, or sores, it's essential to consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. These changes could be a sign of an infection, hormonal imbalance, or other medical condition that requires medical attention. For example, a yeast infection can sometimes cause redness and irritation of the vulva, while some sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, can cause sores or lesions that may affect pigmentation. In some cases, darkening of the vulva can be a sign of a hormonal disorder, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS. It's important to remember that self-diagnosing is never a good idea. If you have any concerns about your vaginal health, it's always best to seek professional medical advice. A healthcare provider can assess your symptoms, perform a physical exam if necessary, and recommend appropriate testing or treatment options. Section 4. Embracing your individuality. Confidence beyond color. In a world bombarded with unrealistic beauty standards, it's easy to feel insecure about our bodies, including our vaginal appearance. However, it's essential to remember that true beauty lies in embracing our individuality, including the natural variations in our bodies. Your vagina is a part of you, and it deserves to be celebrated for its uniqueness, just like every other part of your body. Instead of striving for an unattainable ideal, focus on what makes you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. This includes practicing good hygiene, wearing comfortable clothing, and engaging in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Remember, confidence is the most attractive quality a woman can possess, and it starts with self-acceptance. Embrace your natural beauty, inside and out. Your vagina, in all its natural glory, is a testament to your femininity and your power as a woman. Celebrate it! Section 1. The ongoing journey of vaginal health. Listen, learn, and thrive. We've peeled back the layers of secrecy and shame surrounding vaginal health, debunking myths, celebrating diversity, and empowering informed decisions. Your vaginal health is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Listen to your body, honor its rhythms, and seek support when needed. Your vagina thrives on attention and care. Incorporate gentle hygiene, a nourishing diet, and stress management. Ask questions, challenge outdated beliefs, and advocate for your health. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be. Embrace your body's evolving nature and adjust as needed. Be attuned to changes and reach out to your healthcare provider if needed. Section 2. Celebrating your body, inside and out, confidence, intimacy, and a lifetime of vaginal wellness. A healthy vagina is a source of pleasure, intimacy, and overall well-being. When you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin, it radiates outwards, enhancing your relationships, your sex life, and your overall zest for life. Embrace the beauty of your natural scent, color, and shape. Your vagina is uniquely yours, and there's no need to conform to unrealistic or unhealthy beauty standards. Remember, open communication with your partner is key to a fulfilling and pleasurable sex life. Share your needs, desires, and any concerns you may have. Creating a safe and trusting space for dialogue can deepen your intimacy and strengthen your bond. Prioritize your pleasure and don't be afraid to explore what feels good for you. Vaginal health is an integral part of overall health and well-being. By taking care of your vagina, you're investing in your physical, emotional, and mental health. Remember, you deserve to feel confident, empowered, and comfortable in your own skin. Here's to a lifetime of vaginal wellness, joyful intimacy, and celebrating the incredible power of the female body.